Hi parents, this is Dr. Shweta from Room Planet, and today on A Parent's Demand, I talk about how to make your child attend online classes. Online classes have been disliked by many children, but at the same time, they have been lifesavers for many parents as well as children. Yes, the fun of being in a physical school can never be compared to the online classes. But let's look at the brighter picture. At least the schools are on. Our children are progressing to the next grades. And they are in touch with their teachers and academics. But how do we excite our children to attend these online classes is a big question. Let me share 3 things which have worked wonderfully well while making my 10-year-old attend online school. First, never criticize online school as a parent. Because when we criticize it, children find a solid reason to call it waste of time and boring. Rather, stay excited to know what happened in the class. Let them find fun and interesting aspects of online classes. How one child had an interesting virtual background, what funny things happened during the class that day, and so on. They will find enough reasons to go back into the online class. Second, don't make them join too many online classes. This isn't the time to make them learn everything through structured classes. Rather, it's a time to let them explore and learn by doing themselves. They will be more excited to attend online classes if they are limited in number. So their school and maybe 1 or 2 more classes few days a week, that too something of their interest. Third, bunking a class isn't the biggest crime. At times when you feel your child isn't one bit keen to attend the class or is losing interest altogether or is exhausted for some reason, let him or her bunk a class or 2 that day. There have been times when I have asked my son to bunk a period and play a board game with me instead, because I could sense that he wasn't one bit keen to attend the school that day. And according to me, learning can never be forced. Rather, giving them a break and engaging them into something interesting re-energizes them to get back onto the online classes and they learn better. So whenever you think the child has reached his or her threshold, let them take a break. Do something of their interest and let them get back into it in a more excited way. So parents, these were 3 simple ways of making online learning fun and meaningful for your child. For more such videos on modern parenting, stay connected and don't forget to subscribe. This was Dr. Shweta from Room Planet. Take care. Bye-bye.
Drum Planet, Kids Dream World.